If you need SAP Finance data straight from the source tables, here's how to read the General Ledger tables BKPF and BSEG into KNIME, filter them dynamically and join them into one dataset without having to export entire tables. Let me show you how. Here's the whole thing on one screen. Two SAP table nodes read straight from SAP, the General Ledger header table BKPF and the line item table BSEG. An external list drives the filtering and the results are joined into one table. It all runs on the SAP permissions I already have with no custom code. I keep my selection criteria in a simple external list. That means I can change what I pull, the company code, the period, the document type, without touching the workflow itself. Here it comes in from Excel, but it could also be packaged as a data app for end users to provide their own search criteria. The first table node reads BKPF, the document header table, filtered by that list. So straight away I only get the documents I care about, headers landing in KNIME as a clean table. Now here's the clever part and the reason to do this in a workflow. BSEG, the line item table, is one of the largest tables in SAP. Instead of pulling all of it, I take the document keys that BKPF just returned and feed them into the second table read as a dynamic filter, so BSEG only returns the line items for the documents I selected. That's fast and it's low impact on the SAP system. Then I join the two together, header and line items, into a single analysis-ready table, the full picture of each document in one place. From here I can explore it interactively in KNIME, and the same joined data writes out to Excel at the same time for anyone downstream who still wants a spreadsheet. All of this runs through the SAP application layer, nothing touches the SAP database directly, and there's no custom ABAP for you to write. It all runs in the KNIME Analytics platform, or on the KNIME Hub if you want to schedule it. With DVW, you can read and write SAP data from any analytics or data platform right down to the source tables. This exact workflow is on the KNIME Community Hub for you to download and try on your own SAP system. Get in touch and we'll set you up with a trial.